Hey, today on Future Now TV.
Thanks for coming out with the Las Vegas region SCCA. We appreciate you guys coming out.
Over at race day over here, we got
here comes
a bunch
Andy.
of the mod cars just giving her the local street traffic here that are out racing today. Pretty awesome. Race your own car. Guys gonna take out the car.
Even at that, that's good enough to get you on second place in STS. Gustavo Torres. Gustavo presently first in class in STU and puts in a 57-272. 57-272.
57, this guy, holy man, crushed it. Now that's going for a rip.
Your first place win there, Gustavo.
Oh man, we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna do donuts later on.
That's right.
That was excellent. Good.
The drinks later?
That was,
We're in the BMW M3. My friend over here.
Probably third, maybe fourth place today. It's a very competitive class. We got a lot of drivers. Here's David Ireland. Guzman with a 60.567, and that's driving SSN class. Sylvester just finished off with a 59.073. Nice time for Mark. Here comes Chris, just ready to finish off. And Chris finishing with a 57, nice 57, 580.
Huge shout out to our friends here at the Las Vegas Speedway for putting on an incredible show. Did lots of autocross, got a couple rides and met some really cool people. It's an amazing time. If you want a good time with autocross, you know where to come.
It was great right beside the jets coming in here. I mean, can't get any better than this.
Hit up my friend Gustavo. I'm gonna tag him in the description. He's the guy you want to talk to.
Hey, take hold of your effing future now.
That's right. This way.
Thanks for coming out with the Las Vegas region SCCA. We appreciate you guys coming out.
Subscribe for more videos like these.